So last night I ran over a screw or a nail or some other sharp pointy object. I'm not really sure what it was. So now I have a flat tire, and instead of taking the whole car to the repair shop, I am just going to remove the tire and take the tire in so I can see if they can put a plug in it and repair it for me. But first we need to take this tire off the car. The screw has since fallen out, but this is the hole where it was. To remove the tire, I have three things. I have my tire iron, my jack, and a jack stand. Before we jack up the car, we're going to loosen the lug nuts. And when you do this, you always want to go in a crisscross pattern. So I just did this one. Next I'm going to do this one, and then we'll go in a star shape. When putting your car on a jack or jack stands, you always want to make sure you pick somewhere solid to put the jack. You never want to put it on anything moving, like any parts of your suspension or anything like that. I chose to put it here. It's on part of the frame, just behind the rear tire. I raised it up until the tire was all the way off the ground and I can spin it freely. I'm going to leave the jack here, but I also put a jack stand on that cross brace, just, for extra safety. Now we're going to remove the lug nuts. We're going to continue in the same crisscross pattern. The tire will just come off the car. Now I have the tire off the car, I can take it into the repair shop and see if they can patch it up for me. So I've got my tire back from the tire shop. They were able to put a plug in there to patch it up, and hopefully that holds. Let's put it back on the car. When putting our lug nuts back on, we're going to do the same as when we took them off. We're going to put them on in a crisscross pattern. Once they're all on hand tight, we're going to go back with our tire iron and tighten them up a bit, but we're not going to crank them down all the way just yet. Let's get this jack stand out of here. Now we're going to tighten them up. Now we got the tire back on the car, good as new, hopefully. Just going to clean up my toys and get back on the road.